Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on changing your name on Facebook. I'll be doing this on the mobile app, but you can easily follow along if you are on desktop too. Let's begin. On the Facebook app, tap on the menu button at the top right of the screen. The menu button is 3 horizontal lines. From here, tap on Settings and Privacy and then tap on Settings. In the Settings menu, you want to tap on Personal Information, the first option on the list, and then tap on Name. Here on this page, you can now edit your Facebook name. Note that once you have changed your name, you won't be allowed to change it again for 60 days. Once you have changed it, tap on Review Change. You can now decide how your name is displayed. Once you are happy with that, you will need to enter your Facebook password and then tap on Save Changes. Once you have done that, your official Facebook name will have changed. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Facebook tips and tricks.